Okay, so I'm going to show you my new freezer drawer. Well, it's a refrigerator drawer, but it does not fit our fridge, unfortunately, and I'll show you why in just a second. But it fits perfectly in the freezer, and I knew that I was going to need these peppers, so I put those in here the other night. I knew I needed some, I think it was zucchini, so I put zucchini in there. And like I said, it fits great. Let me dump those out so I can show you why. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I can show you why it does not fit in our refrigerator. So, we have wide shelves, wide shelf fronts, and that right there, they just don't get big enough for that. But that is okay, because I do love it in the freezer. It works out great for us, and as you can see, we have storage issues in here to begin with. I would love to get a couple more, actually, because I could put 2 on that shelf and 2 on that shelf, and yeah, get rid of some of this ridiculous clutter. So anyways, there it is, and it fits snug back in there, fits perfectly. So there you go.